flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, until 10:45 p.m. At 7:45 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain moving into the warned area with rainfall rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour. Rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Oswego, Yorkville, Channahon, Minooka, Claymore, Sandwich, Sheridan, Montgomery, Shorewood, Boulder Hill, Lake Holiday, Selmanock, and Newark. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The following is a flash flood warning.